I want to thank y'all for coming to this line dance fellowship.
Okay.
Amen. I need everybody to get in a circle.
Yes,
I said circle. And I need y'all to repeat after me.
Okay.
And listen, neighbor, we about to ride this train.
We about to ride this train.
All aboard!